The blinking red light on your Straight Talk home internet router, usually a Verizon branded device, indicates a problem preventing internet access. This is what the router looks like when the red broadband light is blinking. The most common causes are signal loss from Verizon towers, account issues like expired plans or payment failures, or hardware problems with the router itself. Due to 5G's shorter range and susceptibility to obstructions, insufficient signal bars are a frequent culprit, particularly in areas with spotty coverage. The good news is that most of these can be addressed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. To resolve the blinking red light, start by power cycling your device. Unplug the router from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to reset the connection. Next, make sure the SIM card is properly inserted in your router. Check for secure placement to avoid connection issues. Position your router near a window or in an area with the strongest possible signal to improve connectivity and reduce the blinking red light. Open the Straight Talk app to check for and install any available firmware updates, which often fix connectivity bugs. In the Straight Talk app, verify that your plan is active and your payment is current to prevent account-related disconnections. If issues persist, use the AI-powered troubleshooter in the Straight Talk app for guided diagnostics and automated fixes. For ongoing problems, contact Straight Talk support at 1-888-378-0235 for remote troubleshooting or device replacement. In areas with poor coverage, explore the satellite fallback option through Starlink partnerships to maintain connectivity.